Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled environment and is all done in a professional manner. Please never attempt to do any of this.
Alright, chat. New vlog. Finna head out to
motherfucking down.
got the boys right here though. Sir. We're blasting music. We're finna head out to the track right now. The SRTBreezy pit. Flyer on screen. Got the boys right here. Sir. Squad right there. He's not going with us though, but it's gonna be me. You know. So yeah. I'm trying to get some rollers or something. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna warn you guys. My camera keeps turning off and turning back on for some reason. It's weird. So if something doesn't get recorded, then I'm sorry. We got the boys ready though. Maximo, we got Slim. About like an hour and something drive. We'll be there at 1:39. The pit starts at 2. People already there. Yeah, y'all, I promised I wasn't gonna go to another legal pit, bro. But look at me now. We're back at it again, bro. Ooh, my camera. Damn. Bro's dead ass popping. Boys.
Look at this dude.
Damn, bud. Bro's talking. Yo, CO1? That? Damn, bitch! That shit's crazy, dog. God, this shit's venomous. Boys over at the gas station. These guys will probably call me. Yeah, damn, 350. Train. CO6. God, that thing is nice, brother. Fuck, man. Nice.
A few minutes later.
Hey, chat, we here? Yes, sir. There's the entrance right there. I can already smell the weed. Damn, son. Cars going that way. Look at this Mustang. Can't rapping him. Y'all, man. Shit's about to get real serious, y'all. If you don't like these type of videos, click off now, please, because it's gonna get ratchet. We're dead. You literally can't even get out of this shit, G. There's only one way in and one way out, y'all. Look. There, boys. Grab that shit. Grab it, boy. Slim Y'all better see a lot of Hellcats here, folks. This is all we better see right here, bro. Mopars. Say about maybe 80% of them. Oh, it might be cooked, but it's already sliding. I don't know if I can see the smoke. But girls hanging out the windows and shit, dog. A whole bunch of activities happening, dude.
A few moments later.
I think we just got scammed, folks. But we made it in, I guess. I don't know how much parking was, but I gave a guy $20. None of the boys are behind us, though. Damn, bro. I don't know where I'm gonna park at, dude. I'm cooked. Policia. I know he's mad. Dude, look how many people over there. This content finna be ridiculous. People here notice me too, which is crazy. But look how many people, dude. Good name, bro. We're close to the pit, folks. I'm gonna just start sliding. That pool.
You already know. Let that vet ting sing.
Yes, sir. Oh, wait. My shit quiet, though. I'm sorry. I would not rep my shit, bro. That's embarrassing. Hey, what's good? Appreciate you. And the boys out there. Yo, what the hell, son? I think we got the best view in the house, folks. I ain't gonna lie, you might be good here, but my lip is gonna fall off when I go in reverse. Oh, look at all these people trying to get in here, dude. The pit's all the way down. Look how many people. Good name, dog. Doors real quick. Gotta lock my doors, bro. Let me do it 2 times, actually, bro. 3 times. Look away, some over there. Y'all, let's stream some crazy shit, bro. Look at that. Ridiculous, bro. They got the Mustang cops. What the hell? Hey, get in the pit. Imagine. Oh, that's the same guy, I think, right? Yeah, it's him. Those guys from Raleigh. Remember these guys? On Chakiana. You got stuck. Anyway, dog. That one wheel peel ain't gonna cut it, dog. Yo.
Shut up, bro, shut up, bro.
Look at Maximo, dog. You better rear end someone. Chill, brother.
Roll back down the hill.
Damn, G. DJ, where you at, bro? Where you at, Unc? That one's matte blue. You got a lamb truck over there. Hold up. Lamb truck. Oh, here we go. God damn, son. That was not full speed. Yeah, just go full speed. Yeah. Alright, never mind. Nice. Boys, turn. Jenny is stuck. I'm fucking dead. See? That's why I didn't bring my shit. Oh, got stuck. Oh, hell nah, son. They don't got no power, bro. I got Jenny too. 2.0? Nah. I ain't putting in no work. There we go. I had to put my hand on it. See, I had to put my hand on it. Got the glasses on? Hold up. I look like I'm blind, dog. Okay, that's what we like to see. Okay. 5th gen. Hey, Jack Hawk, my body. Shit clean. I need to get a picture of this. Hold up. All right, we better go by and see what's going on down the lineup. My boy CJ's here finally. So, nah, this is the sickest shit I've seen here, bro. What the hell? Boys, I've seen this one before. Okay. My boy Onk is finally here. Look at the boy Onk. CJ. Octavius at a legal pit.
A few minutes later.
Look at this guy, bro. They just came back from being in the woods. They went all the way down there, bro. What the hell? Is that Lynn? I think it's SRT Lynn. Damn. Oh, Damon. Hold up. Demon 170. Good name, brother. Alright now. Alright, you talking. Very good. He's talking. Get a plate. Another one. Uh-oh. See a one? Okay, hold up. Very good. What the fuck? What the hell? I just seen this. I just not seen this shit. Damn, dog. Some shit going on over here, though. I'm dead, dog. Hit that again, bud. Who bumper? What the fuck? Who bumper that is? I'm fucking dead, dog. What the hell? Good name, but I got helicopters. What the hell he got in his hand? Oh shit.
Come talk to this man. Go down there with Adam.
What the fuck is you even talking about, bro?
You f***ing fat egghead bitch! I swear to God, if you didn't have that gun, I swear to God, I'll beat your.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
You're getting freaky.
Now they're running away from something. What the hell's going on here?
Now, what the fuck's going on?
Yo, why are we running back for?
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh, there he is. What the hell? That boy Lynn. What is bro? He's always on top of shit.
What the fuck is happening?
Hold on. Let me get a wine. I don't know what's happening anymore, dog. I guess they shut the pit down somehow. I don't know, bro.
What the fuck?
Damn Corvette. What the fuck? The whole C5 Corvette right here, bro. What the fuck? This is crazy. It's my car. Sign out.
Do me a favor. Shut the fuck up.
Who fucks me? So apparently they shut it down, I guess. Somehow. Too many damn people here though. Octavius, hello. Hit that hoe. Hell, why is he getting mad for?
All you need is a bumper.
Oh, you're good, dog. Yeah, I got 5 to 10 to be.
What's your money back?
Good Lord. Lock in, man. Lock in, my boy.
Oh shit!
Fuck. Bro getting faded at the damn car meet? Just got faded. Look at all the cops on there, y'all. Trying to get something to eat, bro. It's dark as hell now. Can't see shit. I don't know what's going on down there. Damn, shit smell good, dude. Not good, dog. Sound good. That's that music. SRT cash. That is good. Sound good though. Hey, y'all, we back by the pit. Funnel cake right here. I'm on the last battery. You got Uncle here. Boy eating a glizzy. She's eating a glizzy. Can't barely see anyone. Damn, bro. Slow down. Gotta buy Breezy though. There's a whip though. Y'all can barely see it. Get closer though. Shit tough. Got a flashlight on this though. Whoosh. This is my first time seeing it in person. God damn, this shit tough, dog. Alright. I can't even see what's going on there, bro. Good Lord. Holy shit, dude. Fucking echo is ridiculous. I hope that picked up on camera. Ah, shit. Ambulance back. Too much going on, bro. It's too cold outside. My one battery is cold, and I think the pit's gonna end in 30 minutes. So it was fun while it lasted. Bro, the Corvette almost didn't start, bro. Could left my dash cam on the whole time just to make sure no one tried to steal my shit. Atta boy, Unc leaving. Damn, hold on, Octavius. Well, we finally met up with Unc again. The way to get out was so sketchy. I had to go down a hill, and it was muddy. I almost got stuck, dude. Yep, we had to leave, y'all. Sorry. I would've got stuck in there if I didn't leave with him. brother. Are we?
Hey, I'm high on drugs and the S580 and I'm still worried about my